जो ओमेगा 2 पॉइंट होता है हमारा, वो बहुत अच्छा पेन किलर बिंदु माना गया है। ओमेगा 2 इज ए वेरी ग्रेट पेन किलर पॉइंट। Especially in the condition when we are having undigested food in the body, because nowadays this problem is very common. This problem is very common of the indigestion. So omega 2 point is very effective when someone is suffering with indigestion and having multiple joint pain. So like if we talk about the rheumatoid arthritis patient, the patient of rheumatoid arthritis, they are having lots of undigested food in the body. So because they are having lots of undigested food in the body, so they are having multiple joint pain. So the root cause is indigestion. If we treat their digestion, if we make them normal, then we can work very nicely. Omega 2 point is very good. So how to search it? Just reach on the ear apex, then move medially. So we will go to the three-dimensional imagination for better understanding. So omega 2, sometimes we are using this point singly means in the battlefield acupuncture. This is a very great research to put all the 5 points together. But if you want to put some points separately, you have permission, you are allowed. You are allowed for that. So now, look at this image for omega 2. Omega 2 point not on the ear apex, it is little medially from the ear apex. It is near about 1 centimeter medial from the ear apex. When we talk about the helix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in that way. So omega 2 point found in the helix 6 or 1 centimeter away from the ear apex. And this is the great painkiller. Many persons are just putting the seeds in place of the needle, even they are achieving the results. So this is absolutely your choice. Either you want to put the needle or seeds, but we have seen immediate results with the help of needles. But many persons, they don't put the needle, they just put the seeds, even they are achieving the results. So this omega 2 is a very great painkiller point. Third point. So first point is cingulate gyrus in the right ear, then same point in the left ear. Second point is thalamus in the right ear, same point in the left ear. Third point is omega 2 in the right ear, same in the left ear. Patient is still telling doctor, no change. After putting 3 points in the right ear, 3 points in the left ear, patient is telling, doctor, I have still lots of pain, no change. What to do now? We will proceed further. Don't worry, pain will go away. Because even we don't know which point will work in a great way. So this is the location of omega 2. We can see this is the helix, ear apex, and this is just anterior side or the frontal side in the helix, omega 2. So now we will proceed to the next point, that is point 0. That is point 0. Ultimately, we have to reduce the pain anyway. So this is the fourth painkiller point, point 0, just center point of the ear. We can see very clearly here. This is the center point of ear. So this is the point 0. We can see in this image. This outer covering of ear is called helix or helix rim. And this is going inside. So this is the branch of this helix. This is called the branch of helix. So because of this branching, this whole cavity get divided in two parts. So this becomes chest and this becomes abdomen. So when we talk about the point 0, we have to see the exact location of point 0. So how to find out the exact location of point 0? So when helix send their branch inside, so branch start from here, then it is going inside. Then from the starting from of the branch, we will measure this whole length till this cavity. This cavity is called concha, whole cavity. So we will measure this length and just do the half. This is one way to find out the point 0. Another way to find out the point 0 is just center point where this branch is completing. That is the point 0. But in many ear, this branch is very different. Sometimes it is also going like this till the last. Then it becomes very difficult. Then you cannot take the point 0 here. So in this condition, this is a better idea. Branch starting from this point to this point, take the full length and just do the half. That is the location of point 0. Point 0 has been considered the center point of the body. Like in our body, we have solar plexus. In the same way, in the ear, we have point 0. As soon as we put the point 0, it balances the solar plexus of our body. What is the benefit to balance the solar plexus? If solar plexus get disturbed, then person may feel the right shoulder pain and left hip pain, means in the cross. Because of one reason, he is feeling two pain. Person may suffer with the diarrhea if solar plexus is going little down. Person may suffer with the constipation. So if solar plexus get disturbed, then person may have many problems because of one reason. Lots of pain because of one reason. So if you put the one needle on the solar plexus, then it balance all the things. It will bring good alignment. It will do the proper alignment, good alignment. So that's why solar plexus is a very important thing in our body. So our fourth needle will go in the solar plexus here. So this will be our fourth needle. So we will put the fourth needle in the right ear. We will ask the patient, how are you feeling? Patient tell no change. Oh, okay, left ear. Same needle in the left ear. So we have completed 4 needles in the right ear and 4 needles in the left ear. Total we have put 8 needle. Still patient telling no change. Now we'll proceed to the next point. So before proceeding to the next point, let's see the image of the solar plexus here. So look at this image. We can see this is the location of point 0. We can see this is the branch of helix going inside. The name of this branch is crus of helix. Divide this in two parts. Midpoint is 0. This is the core of body. This is the solar plexus of body. This is the center point of the body, which bring balance in each and every structure. This like a regulator of all the stations, like we have junction. From the junction in all directions, we have some energy is going in the right, some energy going the left, some energy going up, some energy going down in all the directions. Just putting one point in the point 0 may balance lots of things. Hundred things just can be balanced with the help of point 0. So this is the fourth point. Look at here again. This is the point 0. Now let's proceed to the fifth point, because patient is still telling doctor no change. Okay, no problem. We will chase the pain till it ends. So this is the fifth point. The last point of our battlefield acupuncture. The name of this point is Shanman. Shanman, fifth point, fifth painkiller point. The meaning of Shanman is the door of God. So after putting the 4 point, you are knocking the door of God. The meaning of Shanman, who bring peace, who tranquilize our mind. Shanman point is directly connected with our heart and brain, who tranquilize our mind, who bring calmness, peace in our mind. That is Shanman. So we will put the point Shanman. Many person ask me, can we put the point 0 Shanman together? Yes, definitely. There are lots of protocol in the ear. Given by someone, and we are applying them since not today, since long time, and we are getting good results. So this is the fifth point. The name of this point is Shanman. We will put in the right ear, then we'll put in the left ear. So this point found in this triangular fossa. So this is the triangular shaped fossa. Triangular fossa has been divided in 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is triangular shaped fossa. So this upper part is a heaven. This middle part is a human. This lower part is a earth. So upper part is connected with our heart and brain. So it tranquilizes our mind. So we found Shanman point in this upper part. Middle part is connected with our abdominal cavity, especially with the liver and intestine. And lowermost part is connected with our lowermost body part, like reproductive part, uterus, prostate, and all. So if this upper part is heaven, so now let's just see only heaven. So this is the heaven. If we divide this heaven in 2 parts, then upper is a Shanman, or we tell it triangular fossa 1. This is Shanman. So we are putting this point. Now let's see this point. No need of stimulation, just put the point. We don't have to manipulate the needle. Just keep the needle for 40 minutes. No need to do any stimulation. So now we are looking for the last point, or Shenman. Look at this point now. The location of this Shenman, we can see clearly. This is in the triangular fossa, but in this little upper part, this point finds the triangular fossa, triangular shaped fossa, but in the upper part or in the heaven, and connected with our heart and brain, tranquilize our mind, bring the peace in our heart, bring the peace in our mind, calm down the system, reduce all the hyperactivities, just knocking the door of God. Calm down myself, just knocking the door of God with the help of Shenman. So this is the location of Shenman. Look at here. So now we will put the Shenman point in the right ear. Then same point we'll put in the left ear. Patient tell doctor, no change. Oh, we put all the 10 point, patient is still telling no change. Then what to do? Then tell the patient, okay, no problem. Just sit, relax for a while. Just sit, calm down and relax for a while. Because after putting the 5 point, if it's still no change, then what to do? Then after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, he will tell, oh, doctor, I'm feeling good now. So we have put all the 10 points. And so sometimes what we are doing, patient is very poor in the feedback giving. We are asking, but he is not giving good feedback, not giving instant feedback. So we put all the 10 points. Then we tell the patient, okay, sit for a while. Then that patient will definitely tell you, I'm feeling good, because this 5-point protocol is reducing the pain, reducing the undigested food flowing in your bloodstream, reducing the water retention, reducing the inflammation. So that's why reducing pain, inflammation, as well as sending the healing hormones. So after the 10 to 15 minute, patient will tell you, doctor, I'm feeling good. But the real thing is this: if you put first point, so this is the right ear, this is the left ear. So if we are putting first point in the right ear, that is cingulate gyrus. Then patient telling, no change. Okay. Then same point we will put in the other ear, cingulate gyrus. So 30 seconds hold every time. Patient is telling in the 30 second, no change. So first point completed. So now we are moving to the second point. In the same ear, right ear, that is thalamus. After 30 seconds, no change. Then same point in the left here, thalamus. Patient is telling after 30 seconds, no change. Then same point, done in the both here. Then after 30 seconds, we will put point number third. That is omega 2 in the right ear. Omega 2 in the right ear. After 30 seconds, no change. Then same point, omega 2 in the left ear. Then patient telling no change. Then we are putting fourth point, that is point 0. Patient is telling no change. Then same point we are putting in the left ear. Point 0. Patient is telling no change. The last point, fifth point, we are putting in the right ear, that is Shanman. No change. Then this point, we are putting in the other ear, Shanman. No change. Then we'll tell the patient after all the 10 points, wait 10 to 15 minutes, ask again. Then he will tell, I'm feeling good, improved. We have to keep this point for 40 minutes. We have to give 7 days regular sitting if needed, or we can give 7 days alternative sittings, every time 40 minutes. Total we can go for 12 to 15 sittings. So this is the one way. Second. Now second patient. Second patient coming to you telling I have shoulder pain. Just for, we have taken the example of shoulder pain. It may be any pain. Right ear, left ear. First point, cingulate gyrus in the right ear. Same point in the left ear. Patient is telling no change. Second point is thalamus in the right ear. Thalamus in the left ear. Patient is telling no change. Third point, point 0 in the right ear. Oh, patient is telling I'm feeling good, improved. Then no need to go in the other ear. Just forget the ear. Whatever you have put already, let it be there. Do not remove them. Let it be there. Cingulate gyrus and point 0. Cingulate gyrus and thalamus. Already you have put in the left ear. So let it be there. Do not remove any point. But as soon as we achieve the result with the help of point 0, now forget the other ear. Just focus in the right ear. So as soon as we put the third point, point 0, patient is telling good, I'm improved. Then just we left 2 points. Put 2 points in the same ear. Means point 0 and Shanman. So this is the protocol. Suppose the third patient, migraine. You put 1 point in the right ear, cingulate gyrus in the right ear. Patient is telling, oh, I'm feeling good. Then no need to go in the left ear. Just put all the 5 points in the right ear only. Means thalamus, omega 2, Point 0 and Shanman. Put all the point in the right ear itself. Another patient coming to you. Doctor, I have heel pain. And yesterday I was playing a football. I fell down and I got knee injury. Till that time I'm feeling knee pain. What to do? Okay, come. You put point in the right ear. Cingulate gyrus. Then left ear. Cingulate gyrus. No change. Then thalamus. Right ear. Thalamus. Left ear. As soon as you put the thalamus in the left ear, he is telling, I am feeling good. Good means at least it should be more than 30-40%. Good means not 5%. And you have to judge very clearly because patient is not good for telling percent. Sometimes he's feeling significant relief. If you ask you how many percent, he will tell 2%. I am feeling good. How many percent? 2%. So sometimes he's not familiar with the percentage. So you have to find out exactly why questioning, why seeing the movement. So this patient, as soon as we put the point, second point thalamus in the left ear, he got relief. So we need all the 3 points, means omega 2, 0.0 and Shanman. We will put in the left ear itself. So this is the battlefield acupuncture. So this is the 5-point protocol. Now question, how many minutes we have to put? Answer is 40 minutes. How many days we can do the continuous treatment? Answer is, we can do 6-7 days continuously. Then break is also required, because sometimes what happened, body doesn't feel good with continuous treatment. Body also needs some break.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर हेमंत शर्मा।
So look at this
आज मैं
video.
आपको बताने वाला हूँ एक्यूपंक्चर जगत में एक बहुत ही शानदार एक्यूपंक्चर सिस्टम है जिसे हम बोलते हैं बैटलफील्ड एक्यूपंक्चर। बैटलफील्ड एक्यूपंक्चर का प्रयोग अक्सर युद्ध भूमि में किया जाता था। जब सैनिक युद्ध में जाते हैं, उनको फ्रैक्चर्स होते हैं, इंजरीज होती है, चोटें लगती हैं, तो ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है कि पूरा का पूरा वो सिस्टम सीख कर जाए और बहुत सारी नीडल्स को कैरी करें। तो उस कंडीशन में केवल एक 5 पॉइंट्स का एक बहुत ही शानदार प्रोटोकॉल डेवलप किया गया है जिसे बोलते हैं बैटलफील्ड एक्यूपंक्चर। यानी हमारे ऑरिकल में, ईयर में हम केवल 5 पॉइंट्स लगाकर किसी भी प्रकार के पेन को ठीक कर सकते हैं। ये जो 5 पॉइंट्स हैं, ये इनको बहुत ही इजीली लोकेट किया जा सकता है और इसका इफेक्ट बहुत ही क्विक एंड फास्टर है। इसीलिए बैटलफील्ड एक्यूपंक्चर एक बहुत इजी सिस्टम है जिसे कोई भी सीख सकता है और किसी भी तरह के पेन में इसे अप्लाई कर सकता है। मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा ये 5 पॉइंट्स कौन से हैं। आप इस कान को गौर से देखिए। ये 5 पॉइंट्स का एक निश्चित सीक्वेंस है। जैसे हमारे पास अभी एक पेशेंट बैठा हुआ है जिसको किसी भी तरह का पेन है। अब हम उसको ट्रीट करने जा रहे हैं, तो हम किसी भी ईयर को चूज कर सकते हैं, आइदर राइट ईयर और लेफ्ट ईयर। सबसे पहले हम जो पॉइंट्स लगाते हैं, ये सबसे नीचे का पॉइंट्स, इसको हम बोलते हैं सिंगुलेट गायरस। आप गौर से देखेंगे तो ये इंटरट्रेजिक नॉच है और ये लोब है। इसके बीच में, इसके जंक्शन पर जो पॉइंट्स है, इसको हम बोलते हैं सिंगुलेट गायरस। सबसे पहले हमें ये पॉइंट लगाना है और इसके बाद हमें पर्सन को बोलना है कि आप अपने अफेक्टेड पार्ट्स को मूव करें जहां भी पेन है 30 सेकेंड्स के लिए, और देखना है कि क्या कुछ चेंजेस आ रहा है। अगर उनको लग रहा है हाँ दे आर फीलिंग गुड, पेन रिलीफ है, इट्स ओके। अगर उनको लगता है नो नो देयर इज नो पेन रिलीफ, अभी दर्द में कुछ कमी नहीं है, तो सेम पॉइंट्स हमें अपोजिट ईयर में लगाना है। इसी तरह से हमें अगला पॉइंट्स लगाना है जिसका नाम है थैलेमस, जो हमारे ब्रेन के ठीक अंदर की साइड में है। थैलेमस सेकेंड नंबर पॉइंट्स। फिर से पेशेंट को बोलना है कि वो अपने अफेक्टेड पार्ट को मूव करे। अगर 30 सेकंड के अंदर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आता है तो हमें फिर से यही पॉइंट्स दूसरे कान में लगाना है। इसी सीक्वेंस में हमें 1 बाय 1 पूरे 5 पॉइंट्स लगाना है। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन 1 ईयर, देन सेम पॉइंट्स इन अनदर ईयर। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट विल बी सिंगुलेट गायरस, सेकंड विल बी थैलेमस, थर्ड पॉइंट विल बी ओमेगा 2। ओमेगा 2 बहुत अच्छा पेन किलर पॉइंट्स है। इसके बाद पॉइंट 0 और लास्ट में सैनमैन। तो इस तरह से 5 पॉइंट्स का ये प्रोटोकॉल है। इसमें ध्यान ये रखना है कि अगर पेशेंट बोलता है, यानी थर्ड पॉइंट के बाद जैसे ओमेगा 2 लगाया, उसके बाद ही बोलता हूँ आई एम फीलिंग सिग्निफिकेंट रिलीफ, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी मच रिलीफ, तो आप पहले देखिए कि आपने जैसे राइट ईयर में लगाया और उसने कहा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, तो बाकी के पॉइंट सिर्फ आप राइट ईयर में ही लगाएंगे, फिर दूसरे कान को टच नहीं करेंगे। अभी हम देखते हैं कि जैसे इस पॉइंट्स को हम किस तरह से लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में लगा सकते हैं। जैसे देखिए, सबसे पहले मैं इनको जो पॉइंट्स लगाऊंगा इसका नाम है सिंगुलेट गायरस। ये पॉइंट्स है सिंगुलेट गायरस। This is the point number 1, सिंगुलेट गायरस। ओके, अब मैं उनको बोलूंगा, मान लो इनको हैंड्स में पेन है, तो मैं इनको बोलूंगा आप अपना हैंड्स मूव करिए अप एंड डाउन और देखिए 30 सेकंड में क्या कोई पेन रिलीफ है। अगर ये कहते हैं कि नहीं कोई पेन रिलीफ नहीं है, तो सेम पॉइंट्स मैं दूसरे कान में लगाऊंगा। अब इसके बाद मेरा जो अगला पॉइंट्स होगा ये होगा थैलेमस। थैलेमस पॉइंट्स ये ब्रेन के एकदम डीपर इनर साइड में आएगा। ये द थैलेमस पॉइंट्स। फिर से मैं देखूंगा कि क्या इनको हैंड्स में पेन रिलीफ है। अगर पेन रिलीफ नहीं है, फिर से मैं मूव करूंगा। मेरा जो अगला पॉइंट है इट इज ओमेगा 2, जो हेलिक्स में है। अगर हम कान को इस तरह से फोल्ड करें तो जो टिप ऑफ ईयर है इससे थोड़ा एंटीरियर साइड में ही पॉइंट है, इसे हम बोलते हैं ओमेगा 2। इसके बाद मेरा जो फोर्थ पॉइंट आएगा दैट इज पॉइंट 0, एकदम सेंटर में पॉइंट 0, इट इज द सेंटर ऑफ ईयर। और जो मेरा लास्ट पॉइंट आएगा इट विल बी सैनमैन। सैनमैन, दिस इज द सैनमैन पॉइंट, इट इज इन ट्रायंगुलर फोशा। थोड़ा सा लोकेशन करेक्ट करूंगा। सो इट इज इन ट्रायंगुलर फोसा। तो इस तरह से मुझे इन 5 पॉइंट्स का प्रोटोकॉल कंप्लीट करना है, और डेफिनेटली एज सुन एज आई विल फिनिश माय दिस प्रोटोकॉल, पेन विल बी रिलीव्ड। थैंक यू सो मच।
So this is the completion of battlefield acupuncture. If you have any questions, so you can put in the group. Okay? तो अगर आपके मन में कोई भी प्रश्न है, मैंने हिंदी में भी देखिए एक्सप्लेन कर दिया आपको और इंग्लिश में भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है। अभी भी अगर आपके मन में कोई प्रश्न होगा तो आप ग्रुप में पूछ सकते हैं। ठीक है जी, थैंक यू सो मच, गुड नाइट।